Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the flower walk, I guess. I think they're preparing the streets now with flowers. So I could imagine they will start very soon with the seasonal flower walk at the beach, which is also very nice to walk at. And one question I have now here about this butcher shop. So, not butcher shop, butcher steak. I thought it's becoming a deli, but I don't see it yet. Very interesting. They're opened again, and just business as usual. I gotta ask the owner. He's a very nice guy. Hold on, I have to check one thing. What car is this, guys? GT4 RS. Is this a really GT4 RS? I'm really wondering. GT4 RS. For me, it's only GT3 RS, but I think it is a proper car. But it looks so small. It looks like a smaller car. I don't know. It's a weird shape. It's from Hanoi, though. You don't see many Porsches here. That's for sure. And I talked with one guy in Hanoi one time. I mean, we had a meeting, and he showed me his Porsche. And he said sometimes he's just flying to Germany to drive, and then gets a Porsche there, just to drive on the Autobahn, and then he's flying back. He's doing these tours. He's a Vietnamese guy, very successful from Hanoi. But yeah, there are not many people with Porsches here. Because I don't think there's any kind of easy loophole to get a cheap Porsche here. I feel like Mercedes is kinda okay because you can get it from China because there's a Mercedes plant, but I don't know if it's possible with Porsche. So you might have to pay these 200% extra. But yeah, what we're gonna do now is going to the beach, and I will show you the new beach club. It's done. The beach club is done, guys. I mean, it's not a real beach club. It's just an extension of the hotel. But we talked the last time that soft opening. Today's real opening, grand opening. They gave us a free drink to come, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna drink it. Maybe I will give it to someone from you. I should bring it with me. I don't want to have a drink, but I will film it anyways because I want to see how it looks right now. It's lots of 30s around here at the moment. A lot of Hanoian have a vacation now, I think. It is a huge vacation. It's like a long weekend. No, I don't think it's a weekend. It's like 2 weekends of vacationing. Another 30. So every time you see a 30, it's from Hanoi, and they're driving all the way here. I think with these fuel prices, it's almost better to to drive here with a whole family. Think about it. If you pay 4 tickets at the moment, and I don't think it's cheap at the moment, I think it's better to drive a car. Another 30. It's just like it's hard to park for them everywhere here. There's not that much parking going on. As you can see, those are all not taxis, those are all private cars. The yellow ones, the yellow number plates are all taxis. But those are all private Vietnamese domestic tourists. 51 is Ho Chi Minh City. Let's first check out this beach club, how far they are, and then we're gonna go to the new one. It's very busy. The streets are also very busy at the moment. A lot of people have off this week. And on the weekend it's gonna be, yeah. I think when this video comes out, 3 days later, at the moment, yeah, it's gonna be vacation. You will see a lot of tourists here. Another 30. Feels like Hanoi is here in the house, everywhere. But it's also in June, July. I know, for example, my wife's family from Hanoi is coming then always, also by car, because 13 people, it's better to drive a car, I think. Or cars. But yeah. Look at how many people work on this construction site. I know construction sites. I'm walking by them every day. And I've seen in the last 3 years always some specific patterns. Whenever you see 10 people on a project like this simultaneously working, and someone, probably a nervous guy running around, they have a timeline and it will be done very quick. So I'm pretty sure they will finish this very, very soon. Check this out. The first finishes here on this boat is already done. So I'm pretty sure this will be done in less than a month. Because too many people working now here. I saw it on Kala Kala as well. There was always one guy in a shirt, in a bottom-up shirt, running around like a maniac. And then I knew it's gonna be quick, very done. It's gonna be done very quick. Yeah. And so there are several stages to construction sites. Sometimes 1 or 2 are working, the rest is relaxing or something. But if 10 people work at the same time, yes, it's gonna be done very quick. Mark my words. Let's see how long it takes. I think maybe even 2 weeks, guys. I think they have a lot of pressure because the high season started early, and the domestic high season is starting now, soon. May 1st is the summer season. Lots of events going on here. I don't know why they're all parking here, but you can't park here, guys. And at some point, the big trucks will come and just tow everything. I remember one time we made a video on one day with Mike, Barbados Mike, and he actually, his motorbike got towed. He parked at I think Maya or Paradise or something, and his motorbike was gone when he came back. So we went on a lookout for the motorbike. So we had some local friends. Hello, how you doing? We had some local friends who knew police people, and then we managed to get it very quick. And yeah, we went to the police, we paid the fine, or he paid the fine, and was very nice, friendly. Police people, very friendly people, very nice. Everything was good. And 500,000, we got it back. I don't know how, if it's a good price or sometimes it's more, but at least that was the price. It cost if you park here legally and they tow it, which is actually fair. It could be higher, so people don't do it, you know. But yeah, it is open, guys. And this is also the sign in Vietnam. Whenever you see these flowers, there's not a big event, it's a grand opening. And people who come, invited from the owner, they usually bring these things, these flowers. So I think there are more flowers gifted through business openings than through a romantic way. Let me know if you think that's the same. I think it is the same. Hello! So they are open now. And the last time I saw there was a DJ over here. And yeah, it's still very early. But they also have beds over there and seating over there, which I really like. Think about it. You can sit there. There are a lot of seats now here and here. For all the people like Marcus who's scared of sand, you can easily sit here instead of there. But yeah, it looks good. And then you have here, it's from the Holiday Beach. Drink on me, Velato Gelato, okay, interesting. Fresh coconut, I would be done for a fresh coconut. Okay, thank you, bye-bye. And good luck. Good luck on the business, okay? Yeah, I think this is yeah, the location is just super good. So I always wondered if they're gonna have the toilets over here, but it's not. It's just the entrance. I'm wondering where the toilets are, or if it's still these toilets there. So it's called Beach Club and Dining. So I guess you have some dining going on here too. But yeah, they have a lot of seats here, as well as over there. Yeah, it definitely looks different right now. It looks totally different. So if you are staying in the Holiday Beach, now you have this beach club. You can also go under the streets, okay? Think about it. I think it's one of the only direct beach access without crossing the streets here on this beachfront, right? We're not talking about the resorts, but yeah, you can actually, from the Holiday Beach, you go down, go under the street, and then you are at the beach club, or you are at the beds. I'm just wondering one thing. If you are a Holiday Beach guest, can you stay on the beds, sunbeds? I don't know that. Oh, look at this, and they're fixing the toilets. I think they were broken, and now they're reopening them. Good. Very interesting, new update here in Mian Beach. They opened up. Yeah, good. Now we're waiting for the other place that's gonna probably open up in the next 2-3 weeks. I could imagine, but I will definitely keep you updated for that. And usually on this time of the day, or at the moment it's kind of busy for the time of the day because the sun is not out. It's not sunny at all, so I think it's busier now. Usually it's very, very busy now with domestic tourism ramping up. It will also be very, very busy in the afternoon, evening, sunset time. The beaches will be very, very crowded. Just keep that in mind. If you want to have empty, beautiful beaches, go here at 1 p.m. Probably no one will be here if the sun is out. But in the evening, it's always going to be packed. Unless you are a little bit further out at a luxury resort around that, in that area, it's usually not that full. But yeah, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna go now to Maya Beach Club. And hi. I'm gonna go now to Maya Beach Club and let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think the Holiday Beach copied Maya Beach Club? Because it looks a little bit like it, but not 100%. I mean, Bohemian style is not copyrighted, but the setup is a little bit similar, I would say. But let me know in the comments now. I'm gonna go and show you Maya that opened at least 2 years ago, I would say. Right opposite of M Hotel, and they also belong together. M Hotel and Maya. Okay, so this is the toilets of the Maya. Now let's walk. It is a similar, like the roof. The roof I would say it's the same. Then you have the wood floor here. And then the seats are pretty much the same as well. I'm not sure. Maybe it's the same company. But it looks pretty much, yeah. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Do you think it looks like a replica here? It's very busy today here. Yeah. I mean, the seats are very, very similar. I feel like it's the same seats. But maybe I also belong together. But also the entrances here. I feel like still Maya is a little bit bigger and it looks more harmonic. Yeah. Don't worry. Yeah, but here it's pretty good. Here it's pretty good. The only thing is the beach is still broken. Somehow this last low season was very, very strong. So you can, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a hump going down. So there was it totally looked different at the, I don't know. So we had a very, very bad winter here and the water came all the way up to the beach club. And it was very, very bad actually. Can you imagine the water came up to here and destroyed a little bit. And then somehow it got repaired again. Yeah, but that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go one up, like the video, and send me some hearts in the chat. And see you in the next vlog. Check this video out.